Hi everyone, Zaim here from Pakistan. For those of you who don't know me, usually when I'm posting videos, it's about a song, the cover of some song that I really wanted to do. This time, I'm just here to talk about an ongoing issue that's going on in our lives. Ever since the outbreak of Corona, 2020 hasn't exactly been the best year of our lives. There was people who lost their lives or their loved ones because of Corona, or people whose lives completely changed because of it, who had to adjust to working from home, or some even had to adjust to being unemployed because of Corona. But what's surprising is that there are still bigger problems than coronavirus. So I'm talking about suicide. This isn't the first case I've heard about, and I have talked about these things before. Just because I wanted to raise awareness, I wanted to send a message. People don't seem to like me very much, so they don't care what I'm saying. They just ignore literally everything I have to say. But I don't care, because the people who do care will listen. The people who do take this seriously will listen, which I hope they will this time as well. Sushant Singh Rajput was an actor, talented one at that. I first saw him in serial Kis Desh Mein Hai Mera Dil, and then I saw him in Pavitra Rishta as Manav. Ever since I saw him as Manav, I started idolizing him as an actor, and I also started idolizing Manav, the character Manav. He loved everyone around him. He cared about humanity. No matter how many hardships he was facing in life, no matter what shit he was going through, he would always think of other people before himself. He would always love his family, put them first. He would always be selfless. Manav. That's who I wanted to be like. And the way Sushant Singh Rajput played that character made a place in my heart. That's who I wanted to be like. The kind of person, the kind of son, the kind of brother that I always wanted to be, and the kind of husband I hope to be in the future. I never ever thought that I would ever be hearing about him committing suicide. Suicide is one of the ongoing, non-stop problems happening in this world simply because people fail to act as normal human beings. So my question for those people is, why? Why is it so freaking hard for you to be nice to someone? Why is it so hard to actually ask a person, how are you, without judging them? Why is it hard for you to see someone who appears to be different from everybody else and go sit with him, have lunch with him, and try to get to know him? I read a lot of stuff about what Sushant was going through during his last days. I know that he has achieved a lot in his life: fame, fortune, money, success. I know that acting was his passion. He wanted to, first he came into TV serials, and he wanted to go into films. He wanted to get into Bollywood. You know why? Because the other actors of Bollywood, who we've been watching since childhood, were his idols. They were his inspiration to go to Bollywood. Because of them, he wanted to go into Bollywood. He wanted to go into films. And I still remember, for one thing, Pavitra Rishta was the most beautiful serial I have ever seen in my life. Sure, the story has had some kind of nonsense, like you get to see in dramas these days. Not just Indian dramas, even Pakistani dramas, even certain American shows. You get to see some certain things that don't make sense. But Pavitra Rishta was a show that was very, very close to my heart, because I could relate to Manav. He inspired me to be the person that I am, the person I'm becoming, and the person I hope to be in the future. recently I've just had a corona scare. And when I say that, do not be alarmed, because that just means I just had the simple sore throat and viral fever, normal stuff going on. I got tested, came back negative. I'm just self-isolating at the moment. But ever since the outbreak of corona, I have realized the importance of my life. I have realized how important my life is to me, to my sister, to my parents. And I have realized how much I've taken it for granted. I've been through hell. I read about the hell that Sushant was going through, the isolation he felt, the feeling of abandonment that he felt because of the Bollywood industry, because of people like Alia Bhatt, Karan Johar, because of these kind of people, these kind of hypocrites who like to teach other people, who like to teach other countries the lesson of humanity, and yet they themselves have absolutely zero humanity. And I saw the posts of some people like Karan Patel, Aditi Bhatia, the Ye Hai Mohabbatein stars, and whatever they said, and Ali Goni, and whatever they said, they were absolutely right. Stop posting. Stop posting now, at this time. Stop sharing Sushant's pictures and saying, oh, I wish we would have been there for you. Oh, I can't imagine the pain you were going through. Stop wishing that you were there for someone, and stop wishing that you were there for someone when they're already dead, and start being there for someone while they're still alive. This kind of the isolation, the abandonment that Sushant felt, जितना अकेला उसने महसूस किया अपने आप को, मैं ये कर चुका हूँ, मैं ये पूरी ज़िंदगी महसूस करता आया हूँ, because I have been isolated like that. Yeah, I'm not a famous actor, but I'm also a human being like he was. मैं पूरी ज़िंदगी ये महसूस करता आया हूँ, that feeling of isolation, being left out of everything, being made to feel that you're different, you don't belong, you're not worthy of anyone's love or anyone's respect. I actually used to be suicidal. These things made me suicidal, simply because people have to be jackasses. Simply because it is so hard for you to be nice to someone. I'm seeing people lecture other people on Facebook and Instagram. Oh, people, be there for your friends when they're still alive. Be there for them. Take out the time. Ask them, how are you? Reach out to them. And you know what pissed me off the most? A lot of those people saying these things are the people who knew me very well when I was in Malaysia, and who knew me very well during school. All of them, they knew the issues I've been having. They knew my anxiety issues. They know my health problems. They know all of the mental stress, all of the harassment I have faced, all of the bullshit that I have had to go through, simply because I decided to be nice to people, and when I got sick of their attitude, I decided to speak up. Just because of that, I had to go through this bullshit. I had to be left alone. My landlords mentally harassed me when I called them out on what they were doing, which is pulling scams on students. I dared to call them out on it, and they started mentally harassing me, threatening me. I moved out of there, और उसके बाद भी I was threatened. मुझे रोज़ धमकियाँ मिल रही थी. What did my so-called friends do? They left me alone. They lived in the next building, the one next to me, and they left me alone. मुझे अकेला छोड़ के चले गए when I needed them the most. सबने मेरे से मतलब निकाल लिया अपना. मुझे छोड़ के चले गए. And then these people have the audacity to talk about being there for people, to lecture other people. Oh, ask your friends how they are doing. Yet these people know my issues. They never bother to reach out to me. So yeah, I know exactly what Sushant must have been feeling. I'm not going to say that he was weak. I'm not going to say, oh, he should have thought this, he should have thought that, because I can imagine what must have been going through his mind, because when I was ready to jump off of the building I lived in, I was also not thinking of anybody else. I was also thinking, what the hell has my life become? یہ میرے ساتھ کیا ہو گیا, what the hell has happened to me, what am I going to do now, کچھ نہیں بچا میرے پاس. So I can totally imagine, I can put myself in his shoes, because مجھے بھی ایسا محسوس کرایا گیا ہے, مجھے بھی سائڈ لائن کیا گیا بار بار. ایوری ٹائم I try to contribute to something, I try to be a part of something, and جب میں تنگ آ جاتا ہوں, when I get fed up of this attitude, when I stop trying, then people have to complain, oh, this guy just sits there, he doesn't contribute anything. So yeah, even though I didn't know him as a person, this kind of feels personal. I spent so much of my life thinking, why me? Didn't realize there are so many people who have gone through this much, and Sushant Singh Rajput's death has proved that no amount of that money can buy you success. It can get you success, it can get you fame, it can get you lots of fans, it can get you many unlikely relationships with people who are there just because of your fame and money. But that money cannot buy you happiness. اس کے پاس اتنا پیسہ تھا, اس کے پاس بہت کچھ تھا that he wanted to achieve in life, but اس کو اندر سے سکون نہیں تھا. He was mentally disturbed. Nobody cared. Now these people are saying, oh, I wish we would have been there for him. Oh, stop wishing. کوئی فائدہ نہیں ہے اب. He is not coming back. He's dead. He's gone. ماں باپ یہ ایکسپیکٹ کرتے ہیں کہ مسلم ماں باپ یہ کہتے ہیں کہ ہمارے مرنے پہ ہمارے بچے, ہمارے بیٹے ہمیں کندھا دیں گے اور ہمیں دفنائیں گے. کرسچن پیرنٹس سے our parents will carry us to the grave when we die. ہندو ماں باپ کہتے ہیں کہ ہمارے بچے, ہمارے بیٹے ہمیں کندھا دیں گے, ہمیں اگنی دیں گے. بٹ واٹ ہیپنڈ, وہ 34 سال کا آدمی مر گیا because of this attitude of people, because it is so bloody hard for people to think of other people as human beings, to think of anybody other than themselves, and then have the audacity to lecture other people about humanity. مر گیا وہ آدمی, اور بجائے کہ وہ اپنے باپ کا سہارا بنتا, اس کے باپ کو اسے کندھا دینا پڑا, اس کے باپ کو اس کو اگنی دینی پڑی. وہ بوڑھی ہڈیوں والا سفید بالوں والا بوڑھا باپ, اپنے بیٹے کو اسے اگنی دینی پڑی. بیکاز آف دس he had to cremate his son. I feel lucky کہ میں زندہ ہوں. ایموشنل ہے. مجھے آج تک تکلیف ہوتی ہے ان ساری باتوں سے جو میرے ساتھ ہوا. ناٹ جسٹ دیٹ, میرے اوپر molestation کا الزام لگایا گیا. when I was an intern 2 years ago, میرا سینئر نہ صرف مجھے ہر ایک کے سامنے روز بے عزت کرتا تھا فضول میں, بلکہ وہ مجھے بہت غلط طریقے سے ٹچ کرتا تھا, بار بار کرتا تھا. جو چیزیں, جو بدتمیزیاں عورتوں کے ساتھ کرتے ہیں نا آدمی, لڑکوں کے ساتھ بھی, آدمیوں کے ساتھ بھی کرتے ہیں, بچوں کے ساتھ بھی کرتے ہیں. I was one of them. مجھے خود سے گھن آتی تھی. When I looked in the mirror, I couldn't look at myself. I got suicidal again. After 6 years of beating that feeling, I got suicidal again. Why? Because کسی نے مجھے گندی نظر سے دیکھا. میں نے آج تک کسی کا کوئی برا نہیں کیا, کسی نے مجھے گندی نظر سے دیکھا, مجھے غلط طریقے سے ٹچ کیا, میرے جسم کو گندا کرنا چاہا کسی نے. And it hurts me still. I had to go through 2 years of therapy. And then I went to Amsterdam to do my masters. Because the situation آج کل پاکستان میں ہوں, بٹ مجھے آج تک یہ چیز تکلیف دیتی ہے. I still haven't fully recovered from this. You know why so many girls repeatedly are committing suicide after getting raped? کیونکہ کوئی ان کی سننے والا نہیں ہے. ان کو بھی اسی طرح آئسولیٹ کر دیا جاتا ہے جب وہ ریپ ہو جاتی ہیں. انہیں ایسا کہا جاتا ہے کہ ان کی غلطی ہے. اس نے کسی کو لائن دی ہوگی, او اس نے سگنل دیا ہوگا, اس کو چھوٹے کپڑے پہننے چاہیے تھے, او اس نے بدتمیزی کی ہوگی, اس کا کسی سے چکر چل رہا ہوگا. یہ سوچ ہے تم لوگوں کی. عورت کے ساتھ ریپ کسی نے کی ہے, اس آدمی کو جوتے مارنے کے بجائے, اس کو الٹا لٹکانے کے بجائے تم اس عورت کو سزا دو. جتنی سزا مل چکی ہے اس کو, اس سے زیادہ مزید سزا دو. اس کو بلیم کرو, اس کو یہ کہو کہ میں نے تم سے شادی کر کے تم پہ احسان کیا ہے. ورنہ تم پڑھی رہتی کہیں. وہ دنیا کے سماج کے مردوں، تمہیں ایک بات بتا دوں، دنیا کے سب سے بڑے نامرد ہو تم، کیونکہ تمہیں عورت کی عزت کرنی نہیں آتی. بیوی سے اپنی عزت کروا لیتے ہو، اپنے خاندان کی عزت کا خیال کروا لیتے ہو. چیز ہے وہ کوئی نا، تمہارے پیروں کی جوتی ہے، لیکن اس کی عزت کا کیا؟ وہ تمہارا فرض نہیں، تمہاری ذمہ داری نہیں ہے. سم تھنگ، جب تم اگر تمہاری بہن بیٹیوں کے ساتھ یہ چیز ہو تب بھی ان کو بھی یہی کہتے ہو تم. ڈو یو سی دا سیم تھنگ ٹو دیم؟ اب ماں باپ بیٹیوں کے ساتھ کیا کرتے ہیں؟ نہیں، تم نے کمپلین نہیں کرنی، ہمارا منہ کالا ہو گیا ہے، بجائے کہ تم ریپ کرنے والے کا منہ کالا کر کے آؤ. I'm not only talking about Sushant Singh Rajput here, I'm talking about every single person who appears to be different, یا جس کو کوئی مینٹل پرابلمس ہوتی ہیں یا کوئی ہیلتھ پرابلمس ہوتی ہیں، اس وجہ سے اس کا مذاق اڑایا جاتا ہے، اس کو آئسولیٹ کیا جاتا ہے. یا پھر اے پرسن جس کو ڈائبٹیز ہونے کی وجہ سے، آٹسٹک ہونے کی وجہ سے، اسپیشل نیڈز ہونے کی وجہ سے، اپاہج ہونے کی وجہ سے، یا اندھا یا گنگا بہرا ہونے کی وجہ سے آئسولیٹ کیا جاتا ہے، جج کیا جاتا ہے. یا پھر اس لیے جج کیا جاتا ہے کیونکہ اس کے سر پہ باپ نہیں ہے، یا اس کا باپ اسے چھوڑ کے کہیں چلا گیا. یہ بھی بات ہے سوسائٹی کی، آدمی اپنی بیوی اور بچوں کو چھوڑ کے دفع ہو جاتے ہیں پرواہ کیے بغیر کسی چیز کی. اور سوسائٹی کیا کرتی ہے؟ اس عورت کو کہتی ہے یہ تو اپنا گھر ہی نہیں سنبھال سکی. اس بچے کو، معصوم بچے کو تانے دیتی ہے کہ باپ کے بغیر کیسے رہے گا، اس کا کیا بنے گا، بغیر باپ کا بچہ ہے، کون اس سے شادی کرے گا. شرم سے ڈوب بننے والا مقام ہے یہ. 2020 ہو گیا ہے، ماڈرنزم کی بات کرتے ہیں. وی ٹاک اباؤٹ ماڈرنزم، وی ٹاک اباؤٹ چینج. کہاں ہے چینج؟ ویئر از دا چینج؟ ٹو دس ڈے میں آج تک اکیلا ہوں اور اکیلا فیل کرتا ہوں، بیکاز پیپل ڈو ناٹ وانٹ ٹو بی فرینڈز ود می. یو نو وائی؟ بیکاز آئی ریفیوز ٹو ٹیک دیئر بل شٹ. دیز پیپل وانٹ فرینڈس جو ان کی بکواس چپ کر کے برداشت کریں. لوگوں کو حق ہے کہ مجھے میری غلطی بتائیں، لیکن گاڈ فاربیڈ میں نے کسی کو غلطی بتا دی اس کی. مجھے لوگ لیکچر دیتے ہیں یہ میچورٹی پہ کہ میچور کیسے ہوا جاتا ہے. خود کیا میچورٹی ہے لوگوں کی؟ میں نے کہہ دیا سوری میں تم سے ملنے اسلام آباد نہیں آ سکتا بیکاز میری ایمسٹرڈیم جانے کی ڈیٹ قریب آ رہی ہے. اور مجھے جواب کیا ملتا ہے آگے سے؟ ٹھیک ہے دفعہ ہو. دس از واٹ آئی گیٹ فار بینگ نائس ٹو پیپل اینڈ اسٹل بینگ ٹولڈ کہ میں برا انسان ہوں. برا انسان ہے کیا؟ کسی کو اندازہ ہے اس بات کا؟ اصل میں پتہ ہے کہ برا انسان کسے کہتے ہیں؟